So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Wi-Fi keep disconnecting on your Samsung Galaxy A17. So guys, if your Wi-Fi keep disconnecting on your Samsung Galaxy, so you just follow these troubleshooting step. First thing is guys, you restart your phone. Sometimes the simple restart also resolve these minor glitches. For restarting, simply swipe down, okay, click here and simply tap on the option of restart. Then guys, you disable your Wi-Fi power saving. So guys, for disabling the Wi-Fi power saving, so just first you simply turn off the power saving option, so it help you to make your application more viable and work with their 100%. After that guys, you forget and reconnect your network. So guys, forget and reconnect the network, simply long press on it, then go to the option of detail. After that, click on the option of your Wi-Fi, just long press on it and forget the network. Another thing is guys, update the software. For updating the software, you simply go here, click here in setting. In the setting section, move downward, click on the option of software update and download and install the latest one. Okay, then guys, last thing is you reset your network setting. For resetting the network setting, go back, then guys click on the option of general management, then reset, and here is reset mobile and Bluetooth settings. So these are the basic things that you can done to resolve this issue. And guys, thank you and have a nice day. And guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations. I hope this video is very helpful for you.